Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to fix keyboard not working issues in Windows PC. So first we need to go to Start and then Setting and then click on Ease of Access. Here check the keyboard. Now turn on filter key. Okay, some of time we turn on this filter key and automatically also turn on other filter. So we have to turn off other filter keys. So it's a one method. After doing this, restart your PC. If not working, then try another method. So right click here in Windows, then click on Device Manager and here find the keyboard option. You can do two methods here. Just right click here and then click on Update Drive Software and choose Browse My Computer and take on Let me pick up from a list. After that, select on your keyboard and then Next. And other thing is right click again and here click on Uninstall. It will be uninstall your previous driver for your keyboard. After successfully uninstall, go to Action tab and then you will get Scan Driver software. So whatever it, restart your PC again. Hope so it will be work perfectly on your PC. And thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Keep learning. Have a nice day.